What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax BTT gang. It's been a minute. Hope you guys have been well. We're going to go over our good old friend BitTorrent. It has been on a surge since we've seen this recovery with Bitcoin. In the last 7 days, we're up almost 40%. In the last 24 hours, we're up almost 8%. Now, BitTorrent does move very, very quickly, as we all remember on the bull run. It went up like 700% in a few weeks. All right, guys. So we're sitting at a market cap of 1.89 billion. 24-hour volume is sitting at 661 million. I think I'm all out of water. So let's jump into this technical analysis. Hey guys, if you get any value, smash that like button. It goes a long way. Leave a comment. If you're new to crypto.com, you can join the world's fastest crypto growing app. I'm pretty sick, guys, so bear with me here. My brain's not working. So we're here on the 1 hour chart, and as I had shown in my Bitcoin video, we are seeing bearish divergences on the 1 hour as well as the 4 hours. So you can see here we created a high, we came down and we retested that high. However, we're creating lower highs on the RSI, which is a bearish divergence and can signify a reversal in the trend. It's not guaranteed, but it is an indicator that you use with other factors to know when the price is going to reverse. You can see here we created a high, we came back, we retested that high, but we created quite a lower high on the RSI on the 4 hour as well. So we can see here on the 4 hour chart, we are holding support of the 20 EMA. I pulled my Fibonacci from this swing high here down to this swing low, and you can see we are above the golden ratio. And of course, as many of you know, if you watch my channel, that gives you a stronger signal that you'll go back up to where you came from at 0.003. And then the 1.272 extension at 0.0032. However, guys, with these bearish divergences, especially with Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is starting to break above 40K once again. But we created a high here, and then we created a higher high, and we're creating a higher high once again. You can see here we created a high and we created a lower high, and now we're creating a lower high once again. So it's a bearish divergence and can signify a reversal in the trend. Now, that doesn't mean that Bitcoin won't pump up to 42K and quickly touch 42K and then see a bit of a reversal. But when you see these bearish divergences, guys, that will signify that you're going to see a reversal. You're going to see some sell-off. All right, guys. So we'll jump back into BitTorrent on the daily chart. So we can see here on the daily, we came down and we rested on a previous swing high, which you'll see time and time again. When you go through a massive correction, even a small correction, in many cases, you're going to come back and rest on a previous swing high. We came all the way down to about 0.0012. BitTorrent's correction was just absolutely harsh and was very hard to watch. But many of the altcoins, the newer projects, wow, 87%, absolutely insane. Now, guys, there is this pattern here, a double bottom. We are breaking the neckline here. So your breakout target for BitTorrent would you bring you up here to about this level of 0.0037. You can see the support, the resistance in that area. We are hitting some resistance here on the 55 on the daily. We're having those divergences. We haven't seen very much volume. You can see here we've only seen a small spike in we've only seen a small spike in volume, and when we're on the bull run here, we just saw absolutely massive volume. So that's something to keep an eye on as well. If we look at BitTorrent here on the weekly, we are coming back above the 55. And if we were to have that breakout, we reached our technical target from that double bottom, would bring you up to 0.0037. All right, guys. So we're here on the hourly. Please keep an eye on that bearish divergence. These are your targets. We are above the golden ratio. So we have 0.0030, 0.0032. However, guys, if we do roll over, we see a bit of a correction. I'm going to drop in some levels of support. Gonna drop in this one here. You can see the support in this area right here as well as 0.002, and I'll drop in this level as well if we see a bit of a reversal. I am keeping a close eye on these bearish divergences, especially with Bitcoin, as even if we do pump up to 42K, I think we're going to see a correction down to about 38K or even 36,415. All right, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So take it with a grain of salt. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. I post chart patterns, I post divergences. So that can help you as a trader. And check out Bybit, receive up to $600 in bonuses. All right, guys, much love.